Hello fellow traders, welcome back. So if you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to trade a cryptocurrency pairs guys. Yeah. So on the screen we're having a Bitcoin. So how I trade a cryptocurrency guys, I mainly focus on 4 hour time frame and below. I don't trade daily 8 hour or anything above 4 hour. So now we're on the 4 hour. So I basically use 4 hour to look at the direction or the trend. So now it's safe for me to say we're in an uptrend. All see that we had a series of higher highs and higher lows, or a series of an impulse and a correction pushing to the upside. So now that we know our direction, so we should be looking for the buy position since we are pushing to the upside. Then it is more likely for our trades to be profitable if we are following the trend, or if we're trading in the direction of the trend guys. Yeah, so I use my 4 hour to look at the direction. Now I'm going back to my 2 hour time frame. On my 2 hour time frame guys, I'll be looking at the nature of the market. The nature of the market, are we in an impulsive phase or are we in a correctional phase? So the prices here can all agree that we're in a correctional phase, and then we know what to anticipate next guys. Yeah, so how will I go when analyzing this one? I'm not gonna go much into the past. Just wanna focus starting from here, guys. I will start my analysis here. So now we're at a break of structure here. Let me quickly mark it as break of structure and clone these things fast. I have this one here. I have another one here. Yeah. So the reason why I'm marking my break of structures, guys, is to look for the area of interest or our order blocks. Our our continuation patterns, or yeah, it's our correctional patterns. Our correctional phase or our correctional pattern, they mainly end closer or in our order blocks. So hence I'm trying to identify the order blocks there. So let's see what really happened in the past here. So here we had an order block. It's actually this one here that caused a break of structure here. Another one here that caused a break of structure. And remember guys, both of these two order blocks, they have been mitigated already. So now we have an order block here of which it is not mitigated. So it's actually our point of interest here. This is where a lot is gonna happen around here guys. Yeah, so remember that we're in our uh, continuation, or in our we're in our continuation phase. So we need to look at the way in which the price is gonna come and mitigate this order block guys. Yeah, but then it's possible that the price from here, it can just shoot to the upside. It is not guaranteed that the price is gonna reverse on this order block guys, remember that. But then since it's a game of probabilities guys, the chances are the price, it might come to retest this area here, or to mitigate this order block here. So how will I take this one? Maybe let's say something like this, it were to happen, something like this. I would be looking at the way in which the price is gonna mitigate this order block. We'll be looking for the reversal pattern here. It's possible that the price might give us uh, an inner pattern here coming to mitigate the order block. So you shouldn't rush the price, you guys. But then since it's a game of probabilities, you guys, this order block, I think it will be mitigated before the price shoots to the upside. Now the price is currently in a consolidation phase. Look at here and look at here. A lot of support and resistance traders, guys, they will be trapped here, or Yeah, it's support and resistance traders here. You see what happened here? They had a touch. The price is rejecting here. I think the price is gonna come like this. Take those ones out here. By that time, it will be creating a reversal pattern, so that us who are trading a smart man and Falcon to step in. Yeah, I think something like this it will happen, guys. So you just have to be patient and wait for the price to mitigate the order block there. So we'll be taking an SMC and Falcon entry at the same time here, guys. But then remember that it's possible that the price might not come to mitigate this order block like this. So it's possible that we should look for the change of character, guys, and then wait for those new order blocks that will be formed, and then we continue pushing to the upside like that. So it's not guaranteed that the price is gonna come in a correctional manner here. So, but then if it comes in a correctional manner, or it gives us a correctional patterns or reverse patterns around here, guys, we would know that the price is weakening around our order block. So it's safe, or it is an indication that the price is weakening. It's losing. The sellers are losing power. It's now time for the buyers to step in. So this is how I trade Bitcoin, guys. So the other pair that I will be opening, it will be XRP. They call it a rope hole, something like that, guys. Yeah. So with this one, 4 hour time frame again. So on my 4 hour time frame, I know what to look for. So what to look for here, I would say the price it has been pushing to the downwards here. The trend was to the downward. But then the way the price is moving, guys, I think that we can all agree that there's a pattern being formed here. And you know what happens with the patterns. So when I start analyzing this one directly from 4 hour time frame, so let me just clear everything here. Let me mark this important high and mark this important low over here. Already I can see a pattern. Let me mark it, and the other one here. So you shouldn't mind this week, guys. Shouldn't mind it this week. I think there was an event where we managed to get that type of a week. Is it a week or is it a tail? And then we shouldn't mind such stuff. So since I managed to draw my pattern, guys, I'm just gonna start my market structure exactly here. Do you now see, guys, that we're having a break of structures, and then what was causing those break of structures? It was the order block. So meaning here we have an order block somewhere like this, something like this actually. Meaning here we have an order block. So you see that the price came to mitigate the order block here. So but then we were not involved in this trade when it came to mitigate this order block. So currently what I'm seeing, guys, I think that the price is currently on our continuation phase. We're in our continuation phase, and then I think that the next anticipated move is gonna be the impulsive. So with this one, I know that if the price breaks out here, I'm taking a buy position to the upside. But then if such doesn't happen, I'll be looking uh, for SMC. I'll be looking for SMC entries on my 2 hour time frame. So as you can see, a lot of break of structures like this. There are a lot of unmitigated order blocks, but then this one here, I think it is currently being I think this one here, it has been mitigated. So just gonna extend this one up until here. So if I don't get a nice falcon pattern here, I'll be looking for SMC entries, guys. But then this one is purely falcon, guys. It's purely falcon entry, this one. Then remember, we're combining the two strategies to gain or to have a lot of influences. If we have a lot of influences, where it is more likely that our anticipated move will play out, guys. Remember, it's a game of probabilities, guys. We need to weigh a lot of options, not forgetting that the price has been pushing to the downwards like this: impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Look at look what happened. I would call this one as a what do we call impulse, a larger impulse. What if here we were to anticipate a larger correction? Maybe the price comes here and then continue pushing to the downwards. Hence, this is a game of probabilities, guys. But then for this one, I think that there's more chances that the price will continue pushing to the upside from here rather than pushing to the downwards. Remember to always protect your capital. If you open this position, you are in profit somewhere like this, lock at least something. You'll never know what's going to happen here. But then if you are brave enough, you can just let the trade run. But then for me, I like to protect my capital, guys. I make sure that I lock the profit. I don't even set take profit here, but then I know that I'm going to take my profit here. Soon as the market goes up, I lock. Pushes up, I lock. Anything happens, I know. I knew that if the price can push and then I lock something here, I'm removing my emotions from this trade. Whatever happens, happens. But then I know that I'm trading free. There's no loss that I'm gonna get from this trade, guys. Yeah. So this is how I trade cryptocurrency pairs, guys. It's similar to the way I trade everything, guys. My strategy works in every pair and in every time frame, guys. Yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, please like, subscribe, share the video with others, guys. Yeah. So help me to grow this channel if you're new by subscribing, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Have a profitable week, guys. Cheers.